everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another motivational cleaning video. Today we are tackling my downstairs basement area, and like I have said in my previous videos, this area is compiled of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a large play space for my 5 children. Today we are enlisting the help of all of the kids and we are tackling this mess. I'm going to take a moment and introduce myself just for you that are stopping by for the first time. My name is Sarah and I am a mommy to 5 and I am actually pregnant with my 6th baby. And while all this crazy stuff is going on in the world, we are basically staying at home, staying safe, and just living our daily life within the 4 walls of our house. So with that and 5 children comes quite a bit of mess. Luckily, this downstairs area is just for them to play and enjoy, but it does need cleaned quite frequently. And even though I set out with the best of intentions to have them clean this daily, that hasn't happened. So today was the day. It's cold outside, we can't go out and play, and I enlisted all the kids and told them that it was time to tackle this basement. So I hope that this video brings you guys a lot of motivation, and keep on watching.
We've got no money, but we've got this. We've got no money, but we've got this love. Ray on the record player, Jolene in the air, cross-legged on the linoleum. Bare face, fingers laced in yours on my 2nd floor apartment. Wonder how we'll make rent. Grocery store, lilies in a vase you bought yesterday for me, just because you missed me. We've got no money, but we've got this. We've got no money, but we've got this love. We don't have all the answers, but we've got this. We don't have all the answers, but we've got this love.
So clearly all of the kids are being super helpful. I'm going to go ahead and insert the sarcasm here, but my older 2 are really stepping up to the plate and being very helpful in helping us get this room tackled and everything cleaned. Like I said, this downstairs area is compiled of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and then the main play area is a really large space. So generally I have them tag team that when it comes to vacuuming it. McKinley had already had her turn vacuuming her half, and now Caleb is vacuuming his half, and she is going ahead and starting on their shared bathroom. This bathroom is the one that they use on the daily, and I try to have them clean it at least once a week, but in all honesty, I think it's been a little bit longer, so it was time for a good deep clean.
I'm gonna have my cake and eat it too. Who says you gotta compromise? The way I walk into the room, I'm alright, I'm alright. Ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah. You think that you can handle me, but I ain't.
So I know that I'm going to get asked this question, so I'm going to go ahead and answer it. My children are ranging in age from 2 to 10. So this is my oldest, he is 10, and then my daughter right there is 9. So obviously they are taking on the majority of the chores because they are older. And like I said, this is the space that they use a majority of the time. But my little ones do help out here and there. They more or less need me standing over them though, saying, hey, pick up those cars or put those blocks away, etc. So right now my 6-year-old is off entertaining the babies. They're playing some, I don't know, they were calling it house. They had baby dolls, they had guns, and they had Spider-Man mask on. So I'm not sure what they were doing, but they were being entertained and allowing us to get the chores done. So that's why you're not seeing them a lot right here. But I felt like my older ones did a great job getting this bathroom cleaned, and now we can move on to their bedrooms.
So hot, hot, bring the heat. I'm on fire, I'm on fire. So watch me fall into my groove with every move I make. Watch me, I know you want to so bad, for goodness sake. I'm gonna do it like I wanna do. I'm gonna do it like I wanna do.
So this is what a very typical day of cleaning looks like when the kids are involved in my house. I hope that you all enjoyed this, and this was a fresh take where basically the kids took over my channel. But this is real life. I do plan on bringing a little bit more content explaining how I clean with kids in some upcoming videos. But I hope that you all enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you are new. And if you need more cleaning motivation, don't click away yet. I am going to go ahead and insert right here in the end cards some more cleaning videos for you to enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
Do it. Ain't nobody stop me now. The trophy kid wins again.